Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is search insert position. This is LeetCode 35 of easy category. So here we have given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value. What we have to do, we just have to return the index if target is found. If it is not there, then we just have to return the index where it would be if it were inserted in that order. We have to write this algorithm in O log n time complexity. So here you can see this is an example where we have 1, 3, 5 and 6. The target is 5. It is present over there. So what you have to do, you just have to return this particular index. So in this case output is 2. In another example, you can see we have 1, 3, 5, 6 and the target is 2. This target is not there. So what you have to do, you just have to assume like what will happen if this target value were inserted in this particular array. In that case, the index value will be 1. So 1 will be our output. Let me quickly jump to the board and we'll discuss this approach in details. This problem we are going to solve by using binary search algorithm. Now, in the given array, first thing what you have to do, you just have to add the particular index. So index starts from 0 and it will go up to the length. Now the target value which we have, that is 7. So 7 will fit in where this will be the position for 7. As we know, like this array is sorted form, right? So this will be 1 and here you will have this 4. So this is what the output we want. Now we have to calculate this 4, how we will get it. In binary search, there is two things. The first thing, start and end. So start will be the start index, that will be 0. End will be the end index, that will be 3. Also, by using this start and end, we use to calculate the mid value. What is the value for mid? It will be start plus end minus start by 2. So this all start and end are index. So this is your start and this will be your end. So first you have to calculate the mid value. So what will be the mid? It will be 0 plus 3 minus 0, that will be 3 by 2. So you will have mid value as 1. So here is your mid value. If you are working with binary search, you have to remember 3 rule. The first rule says like if it is equal to the given target, in that case you just have to return this mid index. If this value is less than the target, in that case what you have to do, you just have to move your start by mid plus 1. The last scenario, if the value is greater than target, then what you have to do, you just have to move your end by mid minus 1. So this is the approach we have to remember whenever we are working with binary search. Now, here we have this mid value. For this index 1, what is the value we have? This is 3. 3 is less than the given target 7. So which scenario? This is second scenario. So what we have to do? We just have to move the s by mid plus 1. So mid is at 1. So s will come at this position. Now again we will calculate the mid value. In this case, what is the value of s? That is 2. What is the value of e? 3 minus 2 by 2. So you will be left with only 2. So now your mid value will be at index 2. What is the value for this index 2? 5. This 5 is still less than 7. So which scenario? Second scenario. So s will move by mid plus 1. So s will come at index 3. Now again you have to calculate the mid value. So what is the value of s? 3 plus 3 minus 3 by 2. So this will be 0. So the mid value will be 3. So your mid will come at index 3. So what is the value for this index 3? 6. This 6 is less than the value target t? Yes. So which scenario? Second scenario. Again s will move by mid plus 1. So the current value of mid is 3. So what will be the value for s? That is 4. So this is what our output is. We have to return start value. Now let me quickly jump to the board and we'll write the code for the same. In the very first step, we need start, that will be 0. Also we need end, that will be our nums dot length minus 1. Now this loop will keep on moving until the start value is either less than or equal to end value. Okay. Then we have to calculate the value for mid. So for that, as we have discussed, we need start plus here we need end minus start, okay, divided by 2. Now if the value, it means nums of mid, if this value is equal to the target, then what you have to do? You have found the targets, you just have to return the particular index. We have also discussed like what will happen if the given value whatever we have is less than target. So in that case we just have to reset the value of start and it will be mid plus 1. In other scenario it will be end is equal to mid minus 1, and at last we just have to return the value start. Let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the 3 test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all the 66 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.